Today I am going to start the trigonometry chapter, compound and multiple angle for class 11 CBSE as well as ISC board. The chapter name is trigonometry, compound and multiple angles. The formula required for this chapter, let us see one by one. The first one is sine of a plus b. This is compound angle. Sine a plus b formula is sine a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. You have to memorize the formula. The second one is sin a minus b. The sin a minus b formula is sin a cos b minus. If it is minus, then this will be minus. Minus cos a into sin b. That means finally you can write like this in single form like this. Sin a plus minus b plus minus b, that will be sin a cos b. You have to write here plus minus. When it is plus, it is plus. When it is minus, it will be minus. Sin a cos b plus minus cos a into cos b. Sorry, cos a into sin b. Cos a into sin b. As its formula given, I have told sin a plus b formula is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. If it is minus, that means sin a minus b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. I am writing both the two formula in single form like this. Sin a plus minus b is equal to sin a cos b plus minus cos a sin b. Okay, be careful. Cos a sin b. The single form is represent to 2 like this. Okay, I think it is clear for you. If you will add the two formula here, sin a plus b, then if what will get here? Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b, you will get another new formula here. That also transformation formula required. Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. If you add, the second part will be cancelled out. So finally it will be 2 sin a into cos b. This also one formula derived here. Again, this can be also written like this also. This is sin c plus sin d. I am writing a plus b as c and a minus b as d. Then this will be 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. I am taking c as a plus b and d as a minus b. If you add 2a by 2 means a, and if you subtract, I will get 2b by 2 means b. Okay. Here the derived formula from that first two formula between sin a plus b and sin a minus b. If I add, you will get 2 sin a cos b, and if you subtract, what you will get, just to see. Sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. If you subtract, the first part will be cancelled, the second part will be 2 cos a sin b. 2 cos a sin b. This also new formula you are getting. If you subtract, there are so many derived formula getting from the first two. If you subtract, you are getting sin a plus b minus sin a minus b, that is equal to cos a sin b. Okay. Again you can write here sin c minus sin d. It will be 2 cos c plus d as before, and into sin c minus d by 2. Okay. How many derived formula got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. There is 5 formula getting from the first two. This is all about sin a plus b and sin a minus b. Next I am going to write number 3, that is cos a plus b. These are all compound angle formula related. Cos a plus b formula is cos a cos b. If it is plus, then this will be minus. Cos a cos b minus sin a into sin b. Same process. If it is written cos a minus b, then this will be cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay. These two formulas will remain. This is for cos, and if we will add, what will get here? By adding, you will get cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. The second part will be cancelled out. So this will be cos a into cos b. and you will subtract what you get here, cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. The formula will be minus 2 sin A into sin B. Okay, these are two formula getting here. Again, you see, if you subtract, I am getting this one. If you add, you are getting this one. Therefore, cos C plus cos D. The formula is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Okay, then same thing, cos C minus cos D, the formula will be minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. These are the formula I am getting from cos A plus B and cos A. In this way, I have completed sin A plus B, sin A minus B, cos A plus B, cos A minus B. Okay. Next, I am going to write the tan A plus B formula, tan A. Let us see. Next, I am writing tan A plus B formula. That is number 5 formula. Tan A plus B formula is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. The tan A plus B formula is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Number 6, I am writing tan A minus B. The formula is tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Okay, here the compound formula you have to memorize tan A plus B and tan A minus B. Okay, next I am writing something different just to see. Number 7, you have to memorize all these things formula here. Sine of minus x. Sine of minus x means this is the fourth quadrant. The sine of minus x will be minus sin x. Okay. Number 7, the part formula writing sine minus x will be minus sin x. Same process, cos of minus x will be how much? Cos of minus x will be cos x. Okay. Minus x, these are all in fourth quadrant. First quadrant 0 to pi by 2. Let me discuss slight bit. See, as you know, this one is 0 to pi by 2. The first quadrant, that is 0 to pi by 2, 90 degrees. Okay, the first quadrant, and this one is second quadrant. The second quadrant is pi by 2 to pi. This is pi. And this one is third quadrant. Okay, the third quadrant, this is pi to 3 pi by 2, because pi plus pi by 2, it will be 3 pi by 2. This one third quadrant. Next one is fourth quadrant. The fourth quadrant is 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Okay, this is 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. In this case, rotating 0 to pi by 2 all positive means add sugar to positive, add sugar to coffee. Add means all positive. Okay, add sugar. Sugar means sin theta and cos theta positive. Add sugar to coffee. 2 means tan theta and cos theta will be positive in the third quadrant. Add sugar to coffee. This is the way of memorizing the in which quadrant which are positive. Okay, add sugar to coffee. Add means all positive, all T ratio positive. All T ratio means, see, all T ratio means all trigonometric ratio. Okay, all T ratio, it will be positive in first quadrant. Sugar means here sin theta and reciprocal of sin theta, that is cosec theta. Okay, cosec theta. And 2 means here that is tan theta and reciprocal, that is cot theta, will be positive in third quadrant. Add sugar to, this is add sugar to coffee. And here coffee means that is cos theta and reciprocal, that is sec theta. So all positive, this is in first quadrant. first quadrant, and this is second quadrant, and this one is third, this one is fourth. Initially it will continue, okay? Initially it will continue to rotate like this. Sign of minus x, this minus x is coming to fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant only the cos is positive, cos and sec, remaining part negative. This is the way of memorizing the trigonometrical function in which quadrant it will be positive or negative. Today I have discussed compound angle and here the concept of trigonometrical in different quadrant. Next day I will do more detail. Thank you for today's class.